if you're a woman over 50 and love a little gospel, pop, maybe a little doo-wop, then you're going to love these 4 songs that I have today. Join me on the Rebounder. Let's get started. Good posture. Feet are shoulder width apart. Soften those knees. Engage that core. Relax the shoulders. Okay? Push down. Listen to these words. This body is a temple holy. The Holy Spirit lives in me. A gift from God eternally. All right, arms up. Pull back. Out. Walk. All right, that was our warm-up song. Snap and step touch. That's right, no fear. Push down a little harder. Now, out and in. Other side. Now, step up and back. All right, push out. All right, use your arms now. Switch to the other side. Soft knee. All right, corners. Ooh, all right. You ready? Let's go.
If you're over 50, this is your season. We're not slowing down.
That's right.
We're rising up.
Ready? Basic bounce.
I may have silver in my hair, but there's fire in my soul. Every bounce reminds
over, doubles, side to side. Singles.
Low impact, but powerful. Grace in every move, balance, strength, and confidence. Watch me improve.
Doubles.
By his stripes, I am healed.
Jacks.
He makes me strong. I've had his power all along. Heart is light, spirit free. This
Just
is who I'm called.
go out and in if you can't do jacks.
Every thought I rise, joy shining in my eyes. Favorite, faithful, fearless too. There's nothing God and I can't do. Healthy body, peaceful mind.
Cross jacks. All right. Shake side to side. Single, single, double. Single, single, double.
I'm not done, I'm just beginning. Purpose still inside of me. Every bounce is praise in motion, living fit and living free.
Woo. Keep it going. Now, twist. Push down. Working the waist. Slow it down. Joyful jump. Whew, last song. Ready? Little doo-wop.
She's 50 plus and shining bright.
All right, come on. Push down. We're gonna do a step, step, stomp. Stop, stop, stop.
She laughs at the days to come, 'cause she knows the battle's won. Let's move on. We're not too old.
All right, heels.
Proverbs 31 still on the scene. 15 plus and living the dream. Bouncing faith, bouncing grace, bouncing grace. Confidence all over her face. Her hands still work with purpose and pride. But now she moves from peace inside.
Toes.
She's learned her worth. She knows her crown. No shrinking back, no backing down. More energy than yesterday.
Hallelujah. Heels. One leg. Yes, you are fearfully, wonderfully made.
We're rebounding, we're not too old, we're refined like precious gold. Proverbs 31 still on the scene. 50 plus and living the dream.
Heels. Pick it up. Come on. Finish strong.
We are strong and 50 plus. We are vibrant, full of trust. We are healthy, we are whole. God is
Toes.
strengthening our soul. Our best days are still ahead. His promises
Scissors.
are what he said. No expiration on our shine. This is our divine design. Women of faith, say it out loud. Strength and honor are our soul.
Yes. Scissors. Double. Double. Single, single, single. Oh my God. I just love this. I hope you enjoyed those songs.
I used to chase the shadows, looking for
Sorry, that shouldn't have come on. Okay, that's it for today. Make sure you stay hydrated. Have a wonderful day. And we will see you next time on Rebounding with Cheryl. Whew, out of breath. But you know what? That's okay, because it just means I'm breathing, right? Oh, I hope you have a blessed day. And I'll put this in my playlist on Praise and Worship Day.